Check it out. I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna take my glasses off. Man, why do I look chiefed out? I don't even smoke pot anymore. I look stoned. It's bullshit. I should be getting high. What's up, guys? We're gonna do a video here. Uh, it's got a nice brushless dynamite system with the fan on the top. Check it out. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this motor out, the dynamite, tear all this shit apart. You can see it in there. And we're gonna put it in this. And this is, let's move this out of the way. This is our Charisma four-wheel drive street car.
My protein drink has it in it too.
A Titan 12T. Can you see it? And then it's got this little fan and blower on it. So I'm gonna try put this brushless system in this car and see what happens. Well, I know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be fucking fast. But that's gonna be the video. Oh man, I got shit all over the place. I'm not gonna bore you with it. So I'm gonna turn this off, do the work,